was a quick cold start of our 2009 Mercedes-Benz SL550 Silver Aero Edition. And as you can see, we operated it with the keyless go system there. We have the key right here in my pocket, so just use the button on top of the gear selector to turn the car on or off, as long as you have the key in proximity. So you can see as we're idling here, temperature coming up a bit on this 48,000 mile Silver Aero Edition. And as you can see now, I will shut her down. And there it is. Thanks for watching.